my father. 2 weeks later, I met a lady, Dr. Tufale, and she came in. That was the family I was praying for. The moment I finished and the boy became normal, that was how I entered into 16 nations of my life. Just with few dollars. I entered 16 nations of my life. Now let me tell you, if something is not painful, it's not painful. Now let me say this to you. You have to be set for a revolution. What is happening in Jones, God is the one that perfected it and made it to happen. Will the lion roar without God not knowing? Will there be trouble in the land without God not permitting it? Now let me tell you, countries like China, they were pushed to the wall. They got to their last point, and knowledge came in. Knowledge don't come when things are well. Knowledge don't come when things are sweet. Knowledge comes in pain time. Pain may be painful, but in the midst of the tunnel there's light.
Hallelujah.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
My life is all about pain. Gave birth. Now my twin sister, 7 months I came out, was using oxygen, had a hernia. From my ear, let me tell you, the devil knows the one that was coming to the world. If your salvation has not been tested, you are not yet saved. A salvation not tested is a glorified salvation. Are you listening to me? And I want to say this to you. So, Charles, what is happening in your life? God is the one that permitted it, because God knows out of this pain a president will emerge. Out of this pain a governor will emerge. Out of this pain an answer will emerge. Let me tell you something. Have you not heard? Once have you spoken, and twice have I heard that all power belongs to God. God will not choose a man the way we choose men. God's choice is not man's choice. God's way of planning is not man's way of planning. So what we are facing in this country, listen, I heard that this is the 8th anniversary of this program, and 8 means a new beginning. Let me tell you something. God is opening a chapter of glory for someone. I don't care what was spoken last year. I don't care what happened the first year, the second year, the 7th year, but He made this possible that I have to be here. He wants me to open a new chapter of glory for you. Let me tell you something. Have you ever been reading a book and you see chapters of glory? Have you read a book and you couldn't even sleep? You kept reading that chapter that you want to know what next chapter would be. I don't know if I'm talking to the right people. Maybe I have to turn to this place to answer me. Let me tell you something. When you get to that chapter of glory, something happened. Who no go know.
Yes, sir.